Yes, beta, we are waiting. Okay. So where are eggs? I think you have sent me photo with eggs. Okay. These are the eggs of hen. So children, see Krishna has made this nest with the help of, okay, Krishna, now tell me how you have made this nest.
Ma'am, with the help of grass.
हाँ, half an hour. Yes, Krishna. Okay, quickly tell me how you have made this nest. Children, can you see? Can everyone see the nest? How?
Dry grass.
Okay, so you have used dried grass and what else?
Ma'am, and a plastic polythene.
Okay, so you have used plastic polythene. Children, so Krishna Terole has made this nest. We all know that birds build their nest to lay their eggs. वो क्यों build करते हैं nest? They build nest to lay eggs. Somil, quickly switch on your camera. Okay, good, Krishna. So who else has made Arnav? Okay, Arnav, quickly switch on your camera and show your nest. So you have made the nest with the help of you have made this
cover.
with the help of
Drill cover.
show it again. Better quickly do one thing. Better quickly send this picture because it's not clearly visible. I will share on my screen. Yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, drill cover.
Yes, very good. Good, Arnav. Okay, good, beta. So, children, we know that, beta Arnav, but the birds build their nest with the help of twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, feathers, etc. And also they also use pebbles, small pebbles. Yes, Shreyansh, good. So, you have, beta, Shreyansh. Shreyansh, quickly tell me how you have, quickly tell the whole class how you have made this nest.
I am help of dry grass.
Grass, we call it grass. घास को grass बोलते हैं बेटा. Okay? Yes, what else? You have used dried grass and what else beta? Okay, children. So we all know that birds build nest to lay eggs. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And what they need to make nest? They need twigs. They need dry leaves. They also use cotton, thread, feathers of the other birds, or they can also use feathers of their own, pieces of cloth, pebbles to build their nest. Now children, do you know that koel, they don't make their nest, you know? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why
Ma'am,
they so
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes beta. So what they do when they have to lay egg? कोयल तो अपना नेस्ट नहीं बनाती. यस. सो व्हाट दे डू जब उनको एग देना होता है व्हेन दे हैव टू ले एग. सो व्हाट दे डू और वेयर दे ले एग्स. डू एनीवन नो? Yes,
मैम हमें दूसरे में एक्ट डालने थे क्या?
Beta, raise your hand. Beta, I have asked Vanshika. Vanshika, tell me one thing. Why were you calling me last night? Yes, Vanshika, you were calling me last night. Vanshika Singh. I think you were only calling me last night.
No, ma'am, I am
No,
not
not
calling.
Vanshika. Tanya Singh. Tanya, why were you calling me? So beta, कोयल does not make their nest. What they do when they have to lay eggs, they go to the crow's nest. वो किसकी crow जो कौवा होता है ना crow उसके nest में जाते हैं and they कोयल lay eggs. Okay? And the mother crow जो mother crow होती है ना they look after the baby of कोयल. फिर जब उसमें से एग में से कोयल के बच्चे हो जाते हैं बेबी तो वो बचपन में ना क्रो की तरह ही लगते हैं. ओके सो जब तक वो बड़े नहीं हो जाते हैं थोड़े से मदर क्रो जो होती है ना वो उनका ध्यान रखती है. लुक आफ्टर दी बेबी कोयल कोको. The tailor bird uses. Okay children, so I can ask in paper that which bird does not make their nest. So you have to answer. Quickly tell me which bird do not make their nest.
मैम कोयल.
Yes.
मैम कोयल.
So the tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with material like thread and wool. The nest is made with cotton, wool and dry grass. Now children, I am going to show you tailor bird how they make nest. So the tailor bird made the nest with the help of. Yes, Beta, can you see my screen? Is it visible to everyone? Show me thumbs up. Okay. Here you can see is the tailor bird. They uses their beak. वो अपने जो beak होते हैं ना उसको use करते हैं to needle to sew the leaves. वो अपने beak as a needle use करते हैं and they sew the leaves. जो leaves होते हैं उनको सिलते हैं. With the help of कौन से material use करते हैं? What materials they use? They use thread. Okay, or they use wool. Now in this video you can see how the tailor bird is making their nest. So the bird is bringing cotton. the bird is using as a needle. Okay, now the weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest by weaving twigs and grass together. Now the another bird is weaver bird. How they make their nest. Children, this is the tailor bird. ये tailor bird है जिनके बारे में अभी read किया था study that they use their beak as a needle. So like this they make their nest. Okay, is it clear to everyone how the tailor bird makes their nest?
मैम ये टेलर बर्ड ने वो अपना घर कैसे बनाया है?
बेटा अपना घर अपने हाँ यस बेटा जो लीफ है वो लीफ में अपना घर बनाते हैं. ओके और किसकी हेल्प से? वो लीफ को सिल्क कहते हैं. ओके आपने कभी मम्मी को देखा अपने मदर को देखा? हैव यू सीन योर मदर सुइंग समथिंग क्लोथ? कैसे करती है? निडल और उसमें थ्रेड डालती है. यस like that only this children I have said beta in the beginning of the class only I have said that I have pain in my throat and I have told you that you will not shout in the class. So those who have doubt or want to say something, raise your hand. I have allowed your mic, children, until and unless it is not urgent, you will not unmute yourself. Okay, now listen. Yes, Vanshika, look at. Vanshika, where are you looking, beta? Vanshika, sing. Vanshika. So, children, आपकी mother, have you seen your mother sewing something cloth? कैसे करती है वो? She used needle and thread. Okay, like that only tailor bird use their beak. जो उनकी beak होती है, it act as a needle. और वो कौन से thread use करती है? या तो वो cotton use करते हैं और wool. और they use dry grass. और उसकी help से वो जो leaf होती है उसको वो stitch करती है, सिलती है. Okay, understood? Now the other bird is the weaver bird. They make beautiful and strong nest by weaving twigs. अब twigs वो कैसे अपने नेस्ट को बनाती है? दे यूज ट्विग्स एंड ग्रास ऑल टुगेदर. और उससे वो क्या करती है? वीव. हैव यू सीन? आपने अपने मदर को देखा है स्वेटर बनाते हुए? यस
यस मैम. मैम
वीव करते हैं ना, लाइक दैट ओनली. दे आल्सो वीव एंड मेक.
यस मैम.
ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैम अभी नहीं.
जो ईगल एंड द नेक्स्ट बर्ड इज द ईगल एंड वल्चर. चिल्ड्रन सी ये दिस इज द वीवर बर्ड.
मैम मैंने इसे देखा है. इसका नेस्ट. मैम मैंने इसे बनाया.
Of all birds. A group of graduates 2 weeks to try to make it like a weaver bird's nest.
These all are the nest of
Weaver birds build their nests at the end of thin branches to make it harder for tree climbing snakes to eat their eggs or babies. Branch. Right? For the other. Next, collecting building materials by tearing off thin strips of
Children, mute yourself. Who is this? See, beta, अब ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Weave, making their nest.
Work. As they work, females can
not strong and their nests are very strong and beautiful. जब वो
works from dawn to dusk,
beta,
weaving
I
it
should
into
disable
the
your
nest.
mic. नैतिक मौर्य, आपको बोला था ना माइक अपना म्यूट करने के लिए। यस like this they make their nest. Now we have eagle and vulture. The eagle and vulture make the nest by putting a few sticks together in the shape of a shallow cup. जो eagle और vulture है उनका nest बहुत easy होता है. How do they make? They make their nest by using few sticks. बहुत कम sticks use करते हैं और वो shallow nest ऐसे nest बना लेते हैं अपना. Okay? Okay, is that clear, children? Show me your thumbs up. Now the woodpecker. How woodpecker makes their nest? Yes, beta, who is going to answer how woodpecker make their nest?
Otto. Ma'am, by making hole in the tree.
Yes. So,
ma'am,
we know that
hole in the speaking.
Yes. So, children, we already know that woodpecker, what they do, how they pull out the insects. वो ट्री की जो बार्क होती है ट्री की, उसमें से इंसेक्ट कैसे बाहर निकालते हैं खाने के लिए. I have shown you the video.
नेस्ट बनाया हूँ.
What they do? They pat on the bark of the tree. Yes, with their sharp pointed beak. Children, okay. Then they make hole. वो hole बनाते हैं और फिर उसमें से insect निकाल के खाते हैं. Like that they find their food. Yes, beta. We have studied in our previous class. Like that only. Yes, ma'am. Woodpecker make their nest by making hole in the trunk of tree. So what they do, they make hole in the trunk of tree and like that they make their nest. Now the penguins. The penguins make its nest by collecting a few pebbles and stones on the ground. So जो penguin होते हैं, जो कहाँ रहते हैं penguin, where they live. अदिति कुमारी
penguins live in Antarctica.
अदिति, आपको जो ये स्लोगन सेंड करना है वो आपको अपनी क्लास टीचर को सेंड करना है. आप मुझे क्यों सेंड कर रहे हो अदिति? अदिति कुमारी 3B. So children, where penguin live? Where penguin live, Vanshika?
Ma'am, Antarctica.
Yes. Antarctica? Yes.
I'm not cold. I'm not cold. Ma'am, North Pole. North Pole, ma'am. North. Answer is North Pole.
So they make their nest by collecting few pebbles and stones on the ground, and like that they make their nest. Now children, your next and your last topic is caring for the young. The mother bird keeps her egg warm by sitting on them. When the egg hatch, the chicks come out and the father bird protects them from the enemies. Now children, caring of young ones, जो mother bird होती है वो क्या करती है? What they do? They sit on the egg. ठीक है, जो वो egg lay करते हैं उसके ऊपर वो बैठती है जब तक कि बच्चे बाहर नहीं आ जाते. ओके, जब तक कि hatch से बच्चे बेबी बर्ड बाहर नहीं आ जाते तब तक वो मदर बर्ड उस पर बैठती है, एंड आफ्टर द बेबी बर्ड कम्स, जब वो बेबी बर्ड आ जाता है, देन जो फादर होते हैं ना, फादर प्रोटेक्ट्स देम फ्रॉम एनिमीज। ओके, सो उसके बाद जो मदर बर्ड होती है वो खाना ढूंढ के लाती है, और जो फादर बर्ड होते हैं वो वहाँ जो नेस्ट है उसमें रहकर एनिमीज से बचाते हैं। द चिक्स आर वीक एंड फेदरलेस। जो चिक्स होते हैं, जो बेबी बर्ड या चिक्स होते हैं, hen के भी बच्चे जो होते हैं, उन वो बहुत वीक होते हैं, दे डोंट हैव फेदर्स ऑन देयर बॉडी, सो दे आर वेरी वीक। और उनको क्या चाहिए होता है? दे नीड केयर। यस, yes children, the parents keep them warm when the babies okay, okay, when the babies grow, they learn to fly and find food on their own, then they leave the nest. Now children, जब baby bird होती है वो बड़े हो जाते हैं, when they grow up, उनके feathers आ जाते हैं, and they learn how to fly. Okay children, how do a bird fly? How many types of movement are there? Quickly, our class is over. How many types of movements are there?
Two
types of.
Okay, quickly show me.
They are upstroke and downstroke.
Ma'am, upstroke and downstroke. Ma'am,
Upward, down.
Children, everyone, quickly show me downstroke movement. Yes, Krishna Tirole, Tejika Yadav, Anshuman Yadav, Aniket Kushwaha, Shreyansh, Mansika Singh, Shiksha. Yes. So in downstroke movement, the wings comes to the down and forward. Yes. वो नीचे आते हैं wings and forward. Okay, children. So I will share question answers in your class group. Tomorrow I will share question answers in your class group. You have to do that in your EVS notebook. Your chapter is over. So next week you have weekly test. Yes, you have weekly test. This chapter will come in your weekly test.
And your time is finished.
I know beta, my time, your class is finished.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं दे रही है।
कल आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे क्या?
No beta. Children, now it's your break. I will send question answer in your classroom.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you leave the class? हाँ,